Welcome to my channel. Did you know your Samsung phone's power button can do way more than just turning your phone off? Most people don't. But today, I am going to show you a hidden trick that can save you time and make your phone work smarter. Imagine this. With just two clicks, you could open your favorite apps, launch the camera, or even access hidden features. And the best part, it's already built into your Samsung phone. You just need to unlock it. Here's how you do it. Go to Setting, scroll down and tap Advanced Features, select Side Key. This is where the magic happens. Double press, you can make it open any app you love. WhatsApp, YouTube, even your flashlight. Press and hold. Switch between waking Bixby or showing the power off menu. No more long presses for shutdown. I have got mine set to YouTube because let's be honest, who doesn't need a quick watch YouTube? So what will you set your side key to? Let me know in the comment. And if you found these tips helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more hidden Samsung tricks. I will see you in the next one.